PhotoTag Quick Start Guide. Open the box and press the power button to turn on PhotoTag. Press it again to show the QR code. Scan the QR code with your phone to download the app. Or just search PhotoTag in the App Store. Open the app and search for your device. Tip: press the button first to make sure it's on. If there's no activity for 3 minutes, it goes into sleep mode and cannot be found. For the first pairing, tap manually to connect. You'll hear a tone when it connects or disconnects. Upload images through the app. Most 1.5-inch e-paper displays on the market have a resolution of 150 by 150 pixels, while PhotoTag uses 200 by 200 pixels, the highest resolution in this size. Since it's 4-color e-ink, refresh takes about 20 seconds. The flashing screen is normal during refresh. PhotoTag can store 1 photo and 1 business card. Press the button to switch between them. Open the Find My app. Make sure the device is on. Tap the plus button and select Add Other Item. Fill in the details to complete setup. The left button plays a beep to help locate it, and the right button shows navigation. The battery is replaceable and easy to change.